Good morning, guys. It's February 22nd. It's Saturday. I finally have all of the parts for my turbo kit except the tune and the throttle body coupler. I think this is the day we install the turbo kit on the Jetta. Let's go. Guys, this place is empty. This should be the only time to come to Walmart, honestly. Rockstar parking for me and my dog. Hey. We gotta relax. Then we gotta put his other collar on. And there, we're gonna go ahead and get this shit and be right back. Ooh, hey guys, $150 later, we're out of Walmart. I got some good stuff though. We got everything. We got coolant, we got oil, we got propane tanks, got lemonade too. I made Kato sit halfway across the store while I walked and got my lemonade. Woo! Yip yip and Skippy! So now that I hit 50 miles an hour, we gotta stop. Pretty convenient. Yep. Alright guys. It's up, the front end's removed. Takes off, exhaust is unbolted. I gotta cut it at the catalytic converter. I broke 3 injectors. That's no bueno. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a wreck and it's windy as fuck. So I'm gonna give it up for tonight. But I got this almost ready. Saturday turbo build. We got some progress at least. This is the worst fucking idea I've had yet since the last time I did this. Doing this shit outside in the fucking atmosphere is so fucking goddamn annoying. I basically got the intake manifold off and the transmission mount off. That's all I can fucking get done today. Everything else is just that fucking wind. Alright, what's up guys? It is Monday, February 24th. About 6:15, got off work today at 5, been cranking out work on the Jetta. I was gonna do a little video doing the transmission mount, rebuilding it with the poly mounts, but I decided fuck that shit, and I got it done on my lunch break. So, let's go take a look at what we got done. Killing. Got the manifold off. I don't want to touch nothing. That's just chilling there. The head will come off tomorrow. Trans mount is in. Making progress. Alright, I just timed the bottom end of the motor. Our cam slots are on top. We're good here. And this is the Chinese fucking $90 timing kit. Maybe it's a $120 timing kit. It's really cheap on eBay. New cam gears. The cam gears are perfect. Everything looks great. No complaints. Now I gotta blow out some oil passages because it is gross. Not gross, but I mean, it's been through hell. Earlier, I deleted the injection pump, the air injection pump. I pulled out the cracked pipe, which was actually good, and it didn't even break pulling it out. I'm shocked. We're gonna replace the thermostat as soon as I put the head back on with the head spacer and all that shit. That'll be tomorrow. Fun. I'm gonna clean up. Oh, this is the problem I always had. Fuck. I gotta find a short 6mm. I think the next time I do this, I'm just gonna use hex bolts. I think that is as far as I can get tonight until I figure out what I can do about this lower 6mm hex bolt because the transmission gets in the way of that. I just need a short little hand hex. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, tomorrow, throw in the new valve cover gasket, rip this head off. So yeah, that's it for tonight.